Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve cost management with Oracle detailed guide step by step clearly. Understanding cost management is crucial for organizational success. Oracle provides powerful tools to enhance your cost management processes. Begin by assessing your current cost management practices. Identify specific areas where improvements are needed. Gather data related to costs, budgets, and expenditures. Use Oracle's reporting features to analyze financial data. Determine which costs are critical to your business operations. Implement Oracle's budgeting tools for more accurate forecasting. Set up a budget template that reflects your company's financial goals. Utilize Oracle's variance analysis feature to compare budgeted versus actual costs. Monitor ongoing projects using Oracle's project management tools. Assign team roles and responsibilities within the Oracle system. Ensure all team members are trained in using Oracle for cost management purposes. Regularly review key performance indicators related to costs. Adjust your cost management strategies based on these insights. Engage with Oracle's cloud applications for real-time cost tracking. Incorporate automated alerts for cost deviations that exceed set thresholds. Customize dashboards within Oracle for a clearer financial overview. Leverage Oracle's integration capabilities with other financial systems. Conduct regular audits of your Oracle cost management processes. Seek feedback from your finance team to identify additional improvement opportunities. Document all processes and changes for accountability and tracking. Stay informed about Oracle updates to ensure you are utilizing the latest features. By following these steps, you'll effectively improve cost management using Oracle's robust tools. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typo. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.